Our chief guest, Mr. S. Durga Prasad, who is the Commissioner of Provident Fund Organization at Chennai, is also a parent of our school. Most of you may not know that. In fact, he was born at Shivaganga, at a small village called Alavidangan. He did his post-graduation at Presidency College, Chennai, and then an MPhil in Rural Development in Madras University, a law graduation at Calicut University, and he is actually now pursuing PhD in Social Security in Nagarjuna University. He joined as a customs officer in Bangalore and got into All India service as an assistant PF commissioner in 1993 batch. From then on, from 94 to 96, he was in Calicut, 97 to 99 in Kannanur, 99 to 2003 in Bhomasandra, Bangalore, Punjab for a short period in 2003, and then he got promoted as Regional PF Commissioner in 2004. From 2004 to 2008, he has worked as a Regional Commissioner in Chennai. For 1 year, he was in Guntur between 2008 and 9, and now he has come back and taken charge as the Commissioner of Ambattur Regional Office. There is much more to Mr. S.D. Prasad than all these accomplishments and becoming a Commissioner of PF. I got an opportunity to meet him, talk to him for a while, and in fact we went to ask for a help. You all know what kind of a imagination we would have about an officer of the cadre of a Commissioner of PF. We were very scared. In fact, I stood like a slave in front of his house when I went in Chennai. I was expecting a bombastic, high-sounding, arrogant man who must be the Commissioner. But then wearing a simple lungi and with a banyan, one young chap came from inside the house and caught my hand and said, "Enna ippadi nikkreenga? Ulla vaanga. Coffee சாப்பிடுறீங்களா டீ சாப்பிடுறீங்களா?" I told him, "Commissioner பார்க்கணும்." He said, "நான் தான் Commissioner." Unbelievable gesture. From then on, we began to like each other. In fact, I was completely carried away by the humility, the simplicity, and also the beautiful language of the person. He could speak both in English and Tamil pretty well. He could narrate things in a nice way. He's a good narrator. In fact, every time I met him and we started getting into conversation, it was endless. There were a lot of anecdotes, a lot of episodes, a lot of interesting incidents for him to. He has a stock of lot of incidents. He's come through life in a very, very experiential manner. And he's got the capacity to remember every detail of small incidents that he comes across. A very strong brain. Very friendly. And then our friendship developed to that level where he wanted to see the school. He came to Sunbeam, he saw the school. His son was studying in a prestigious school where it's very difficult to get a seat in Chennai. He was studying very well also, only son. As he came and saw the place and he met the people here, he told me, "Hari, I would like to put my son here." Instant decision. For us, there is nothing bigger than that. A very happy thing. I thanked him profusely and asked him to please bring the boy here. So Shyam is in the hostel. He is in 10th standard now. He is doing very well. A very quiet, observing, hardworking, decent boy. So this is the story of the relationship between him and us. He is an excellent role model because he constantly keeps studying, learning, and listening. Excellent listener. He is intrinsically interested in sports. We have talked so much about sports. He is from a village. They have played all games gloriously, and he has tremendous ideas about sportsmanship and sports events also. I am so glad that we got an opportunity to have the PF Commissioner, Mr. Prasad, as a chief guest with us today. Yeah. So in this interesting occasion, I request our principal to kindly hand over a simple memento to the chief guest. Now, apart from becoming a parent, we also have a nice friend, guide, and philosopher in Mr. Prasad. We speak quite often. We get a lot of ideas from him. He's got wide-ranging contacts throughout the world. Enormous friendship network. And every now and then, he comes out with bright ideas. He wants to help Sunbeam evolve into one of the best schools in the country. He's got a lot of ideas which we would implement. There is constant support from his side, which is a big fortune to us. So, I'm so glad that I got an opportunity to introduce, more than anything else, my close friend and parent, Mr. Prasad. Thank you.